VA loan benefits, your key to home ownership and wealth. Curious about how to maximize your VA loan benefits for home ownership and wealth? Well, in this video, we'll unlock the secret to using your VA loan to its fullest potential. Whether you're a veteran or active duty service member or reservist or National Guard, stay tuned to discover how to turn your VA loan into a powerful tool for financial success and wealth. Today, we're diving deep into VA loans, how they work, their benefits, and how you can use them to secure your dream home and build wealth. I did the same exact thing at 23 in San Diego buying my first house. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the steps to qualify, the advantages over other conventional loans, and strategies to make the most out of your VA loan benefit. Hi friends, I'm Mercedes, the military realtor. As a service member homeowner that has walked in your boots before, I help you use the VA loan to save you money, energy, and time while creating wealth and security for you and your family. Now, are we even eligible for the VA loan? Because it's not just everyone that serves. Now, you have to qualify whether you're a veteran, active duty, reservist, National Guard, surviving spouse, or cadet. You can qualify for certificate of eligibility. This COE is crucial because it confirms your service record and is the first step in accessing your VA loan benefits. Beyond the COE, you'll need a stable income and a good credit score. There's not a specific number, so don't let them make you think that you need above a 650 or something like that, because that is not in the VA handbook. Don't let lenders try to trick you. Now, this isn't any Willy Wonka, but this is Uncle Sam. So think of your COE as a golden ticket. This is Uncle Sam's golden ticket to us to get into home ownership. So this grants us exclusive benefits designed for our military heroes. It's like holding a VIP pass to a concert, ensuring that you get the best seat in the house without the usual hassles. Now, why choose a VA loan over the other types of financing? Well, VA loans offer numerous benefits that set them apart. I say them all the time over and over and over on this page, and I'm gonna keep doing it. So first, there's no down payment required, which is a massive advantage, especially if you're looking to conserve your savings. Additionally, VA loans do not require PMI, private mortgage insurance, unlike conventional loans, which means lower monthly payments. The interest rates on VA loans are also typically lower, almost by a whole percentage, making them the overall cost lower and affordable over time. So all of this together makes home ownership accessible and affordable for us, specifically for us. So you got to use it. It's our golden ticket. Now we got to focus on the most important aspect, and that's securing a home for you and your family. It's like having a bridge over a river of financial challenges, providing a stable path to home ownership. Imagine you're trying to cross a river without getting wet. The VA loan is a sturdy bridge that keeps you dry and ensures you reach the other side safely. Have you dreamt of buying a home with zero down payment? That's exactly what the VA loan offers. One of the standout features of the VA loan is the ability to purchase a home with zero down, provided the home's purchase price doesn't exceed the appraised value. This feature is a game changer because it allows you to allocate your funds towards other expenses like home improvements or emergency savings that you should always have. The VA backs these loans, giving lenders confidence to offer favorable terms without a need for a down payment. It's particularly beneficial for the first-time home buyer who might not have a lot in savings. For many of us, it's the gift of getting into a home sooner. Like Sarah, she's a Navy veteran who moved into her dream home without waiting years to save up. She described it as getting the keys to a castle without having to pay a king's ransom up front. That's exactly my experience, and it was great being able to buy a home at 23 with no down payment. Now, the VA loan funding fee is a one-time payment required to help offset the costs of the VA loan program. This fee varies depending on your service type, the amount of down payment, if any, and whether it's your first time using the VA home loan. However, this fee can be waived for veterans with service-related disabilities and surviving spouses of veterans, so don't forget that. The waiver helps families all over. If you're eligible, this can save you thousands of dollars, making homeownership even more accessible. Now, for those with service-related injuries, the VA waives this fee, which is a great thank you for everything that we've done. Like mentioned previously, it's the golden ticket. Is investing in real estate with a VA loan even possible? While VA loans are primarily designed for primary residences, there is flexibility in how this can be used. For example, you can buy a multi-unit property up to 4 units, live in 1 unit, and rent all of the others. This approach allows you to generate rental income, which then can help you cover the mortgage payments and build equity over time. This is something I did. However, it's essential to remember that the primary unit must be your main residence, not just a rental property. This strategy is excellent for those looking to be on their toes in real estate investment while leveraging their VA benefits. You can get up to a 4 unit. Remember that, a 1, 2, 3, or 4 unit with your VA loan. Now, Mike, he's an Air Force veteran. He wanted to use his VA loan to buy a duplex. So he bought one, lived in 1 unit, rented the other one, and that rent helped him pay down his mortgage even quicker just by thinking a little bit outside of the box and thinking, how can I maximize the use of my VA loan? VA loans versus conventional loans, which is better? VA loans offer several advantages over conventional loans, including no down payment, no PMI, and offering lower interest rates. These benefits make the VA loan the #1 choice for veterans and military families. In contrast, conventional loans typically require a down payment of at least 3 to 20%, depending if it's your primary resident or not, and PMI if you didn't put a down payment of at least 20%. Now, let's not forget that the VA loan does have the funding fee, which can be waived and can be reduced, but it does have that which the conventional loan doesn't. Now, the choice between a VA loan and a conventional loan often comes down to your financial situation and long-term goals. Linda, she's a double dog. She's a Marine Corps veteran. She weighed her options, choosing a VA loan to buy her new home. Now, the no down payment feature saved her thousands up front, while the absence of PMI reduced her monthly costs. It's like choosing between 2 different paths, and one is lined with thorns and a bunch of obstacles to get through, and the other is smooth and clear, guiding you directly to your goal, which is wealth through real estate, right? So we want to make sure we're using tips and tricks and methods that are proven that work, and the VA loan works. Now, if you're ready to start your VA loan journey, applying for a VA loan involves several key steps. Like I mentioned before in a previous video, obtaining your COE, Certificate of Eligibility, choosing a VA approved lender, completing the loan application, and then getting the appraisal out there to get the property value. And then underwriting, we have financial information needs to get reviewed, we have closing, and then we get to the final part where you get the keys to your home. So it's essential to work with the lender that's experienced in VA loans to navigate the process, because it does get confusing for them. The final steps include underwriting, where your financial information is reviewed, and closing, where you sign the final documents and get the keys to your new home. It's essential to work with the lender that's experienced in VA loans to navigate the process so it goes smooth and efficient. That's exactly why all of the lenders that I recommend are veterans or closely related to the military network and know exactly what they're doing. Right? 1000%. There's a difference in working with someone that knows VA loans specifically, the military community, right? The veteran community knows that, especially someone like myself as a veteran who has served, and like the lenders that I recommend that have also served. So don't forget that. So you've used your VA loan once and you want to use it again. So you definitely can use your VA loan more than one time. The VA allows you to restore your entitlement after paying off the previous loan or selling it, so you can free up your entitlement to buy another home. This is great. So if you're selling a previous home and you want to buy a new one, you can do that exactly right there. Additionally, even if you have the remaining entitlement from the previous, you can still use your VA loan to buy another property, provided that you do qualify, right, and you do have entitlement left. A naval officer, Jake, was able to use his VA loan twice. After selling his first home, he was unsure if he could use the benefits again. Now, learning about entitlement restoration was a game changer for him, allowing him to purchase a new home in a different state. It's like having a reusable golden ticket for home purchases, providing significant savings every single time. The VA loan offers incredible benefits for military families, from no down payment to favorable interest rates. By understanding these advantages and how to leverage them, you secure a home and build wealth. Whether you're buying your first home or investing in multi-unit properties, your VA loan benefits are a powerful tool in your financial toolbox. As a service member homeowner that has walked in your boots before, I help you use your VA loan benefits to save money, energy, and time while creating wealth and security for you and your family. DM me or comment real estate now to start creating wealth and security through real estate. I create content weekly that helps keep you informed on market conditions and current Colorado listings. If you feel like I've earned it, please hit that like button to support. Visit my site now to book a quick 30-minute chat. Don't forget, real estate creates real wealth.